Stepping over niggas to other levels of rap. My legs are long and slender, is it Kevin Durant? No, it's TKO, and you can ask Dan Collins, who's fresh with that cassette shit, Koreatown odd is. I'm talking about your mind. Let it out the cage, or you can choose to stay confined. Yup, free the slaves, or the joke's on you like porno bitches when the semen sprays. Yes, indeed it pays to stay true and ill until you reach the grave. Yo, hella foul spinning whatever style's been. Peep the announcement via Andre 3000. I know you like to think, yo, shit don't stink, but lean a little bit closer. If you can't stand the heat, take it up with Eric Spoelstra. I'm repping the culture, I'm supposed to. It takes balls to go for dreams that aren't guaranteed. So if you expect to win, my suggestion is you grow some. No sir, I don't ride roller coasters or Ferris wheels. I'd rather ride rhythms and deliver my apparent skill with more heart in it than Matita Planeteer. So cornball rappers should evacuate. You're second rate like Anne Hathaway trying to follow Michelle Pfeiffer playing Catwoman. But that's a sidebar, let me keep the raps coming. Walking a bar to Hollywood, looking mad blunted. I just got some fresh wax over at Amoeba that might make a big splash like water balloons hitting the cement. We could work out the fees, but I still want the cheese, cause I went vegetarian, nigga, not vegan. Rocking the microphone until the crowd gets seasick. Going after what I love like that nigga Liam Neeson. Except the difference is what I got can't be taken unless you travel back in time and stop my parents from procreating. Patience is what you really need to have when you're trying to vanquish negativity from your past to create a new future while you're still in the present. I drink kombucha, take a chill pill and feel pleasant, cause shit can get rough and times can get desperate, especially when you pay your bills and scraps is what you left with. On this check to check living, I might could be an expert. I'm a star in this reality without the TV network. Not saying something.
And that cassette shit, Koreatown odd is. I'm talking about the mind. Let me out the cage and the juice to the front. Yup, with the slaves and the jokes so good like porno bitches with the semen spray. Yes, indeed it pays to stay true and ill until you reach the grave. Yo, hella foul spitting whatever style's been.
Enjoyment.